So Insta360's Luna. We finally have a much clearer idea of when this is actually launching. Insta360's CEO has already confirmed a first half of 2026 release window, but now leaks are getting way more specific, pointing toward mid-May 2026, with May 15th being the date floating around. And at this point, that's just a few weeks away. But this next part is what really stands out. New blurry live footage of what looks like the Luna Ultra has surfaced. And this time, it's not about the design, we've already seen that, kinda. It's about what's on the screen. There's a 12 times zoom toggle visible. Now realistically, that doesn't mean pure optical zoom. What this likely is a 6 times telephoto lens combined with around a 2 times in-sensor crop, giving you that 12 times number. But even then, that's a massive deal, because compared to something like DJI's Pocket 4 series, which is expected to stick around 2 times lossless or 3 times optical zoom on 4P, this is a completely different level of reach. And that's really the point of Luna. It's not just another pocket camera, it's trying to bring actual zoom into this category. Now, in terms of specs, most of what we have is still rumors. The only thing that's somewhat consistent right now is the 1550 milliamp hour battery. Everything else, take it with a grain of salt. That said, it's expected to shoot up to 4K at 240 frames per second, support 10-bit color, and of course, you're getting Insta360's AI stabilization, which is usually pretty solid. So on paper, it's basically blending an action camera with a pocket gimbal setup. So yeah, in some ways, this is clearly going head-to-head with Pocket 4 lineup, but until everything is official, there's only so much we can say here. The design is another area where things could get interesting. From what's been teased so far, Luna doesn't look like a simple fixed camera like DJI's Pocket series. There are strong hints of a modular design, possibly with detachable parts like the camera unit or even the battery. If that actually happens, it opens up a lot of flexibility, but again, not fully confirmed yet. The good thing is, with the launch this close, we won't have to wait long to find out. At a bigger level, what Insta360 is doing here is pretty clear. By adding optical zoom, dual lenses, and possibly modular hardware, Luna is trying to be a more flexible, more creative tool. Not just a stabilized camera you carry around, and honestly, it all comes down to execution. If the image quality holds up, the zoom feels seamless, and the modular design actually works, this could easily be one of the most interesting pocket cameras we've seen in years. If not, it might just end up being one of those ideas that sounds amazing on paper, but doesn't fully click in real-world use. Peace.